Hey guys, what's going on? So guys, do you want to get this insane fully working PSN recovery software? Well, today I'll show you how to get it. So as you can see, I'm banned, but when I press OK, I can prepare recovery and unban myself using this app. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it so you can get unbanned. So as you can see, it says enter your email, so I'm just going to put that in. So let me just type this in right here and then just press start recovery, and it's literally going to unban my account. So I should be unbanned now. So just press continue. So yeah, if you got banned for trash talking or something, guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned. So as you can see, guys, it says like unbanning. So let's see. Yeah, unban, baby. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So all you have to do is go to your browser and just type in matrixmods.com. So on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in like PS, and there it is. So press on it, press download, and before this downloads, there's going to be a verification. All right, so just download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store, and then you will get the PSN unban app, and you'll be able to basically be unbanned permanently. So as you can see, this is the last step, the verification. So we just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, so I just press continue. Takes me to the app store. I just gotta download it, play it until I'm level 9. So that's like a game. So the games are really easy because time doesn't feel that long because you're just playing it, trying to reach the level. But yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these, you're gonna be good to go. So that's how to get the PSN unban app on your device. So peace out, guys. But yeah, it fully works, guys, 2026. So if you guys are trying to get unbanned from the PSN network, you're going to be all good to go. So we got TikTok here. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super wild. It's ready for you. So that's how to get unbanned. This is super crazy. It's ready. So as you can see, I'm unbanned, bro. So if you guys are tired of being banned, now you know the secret guide to get unbanned, bro. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to get unbanned. If this method ever gets like outdated or something, I don't have a problem making another video. But yeah, just download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, get the word out. This is so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, guys. This is super cool. Oh my gosh, it actually works. So yeah, get the word out, guys. Enjoy the video. And peace out, my gang.